Yes, hello, can you hear me? Yes, Mirage, Hamna, can you hear me?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. Okay, I think we should start today. We completed exercise 11.1, and in that exercise, we have learned how to construct various angles like 30 degree, 45 degree, 75 degree, etc. Is there any problem in that exercise,
No, ma'am.
Mirage?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, any problem in the 11.1 exercise?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so today we are going to start with the new exercise number 11.2. So I'm just using my copy. Exercise 11.2, right? Now the first question of this exercise. Just a minute. Yes, are you able to see my screen? Okay. Now construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 7 centimeter, angle B is equal to 75 degree, and AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. This is question number 1. Right? Okay. Now, first of all, we will draw a rough figure for this question. The question says you have to draw a triangle ABC, right? So draw a triangle ABC. This is important. I mean, you always draw a rough figure so that you can have an idea of what you have to do basically. So this is my triangle A, B, and C. Is this visible, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now you have to construct angle B is equal to 75 degree. So this angle 75 degree you want, and AB plus AC, that means this side and this side AC. The sum of these sides should be 17 centimeter in the triangle you will construct, right? Now how to do it? So we are going to start with the baseline. BC should be 7 centimeter. This is given, right? So first of all, we will draw a line BC which is equal to 7 centimeter. So let me take my scale. Okay, I'm drawing a line BC, which is 7 centimeter. So are you people also constructing along with me, Mirage and Amna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
BC is equal to 7 centimeter and always mark. All right. Now you want 75 degree angle on BC. So how will I construct? Tell me how to construct a 75 degree angle. Mirage, in the last class we have done. So first of all, which angle I need to construct here?
Ma'am, 60 degree and 90 degree.
Yes, Mirage. Yes, so I'll construct 60 degree angle on B and then 90 degree angle on B. And what I'll do then?
Ma'am, then we'll draw the angle bisector of 60 degree.
Yes, so 75 is basically, see, 75 will be equal to 60 degree plus how much? 15 degree, right, Miraj?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to add 15 degree to 60 degrees. So first, just take some distance in your compass, small distance. See, it's a small line, so don't take large distances, otherwise your figure will become very messy. So I'm taking a small distance here. Just put it very accurately on point B and draw an arc. Right? Now with the same distance, you make a cut here. Okay, sorry, because I want to draw a 90 degree angle, so I should extend this arc. Right. So this is 60 degree and then this is 120 degree. All right. Now I want to construct 90 degree angle, so I'll make use of these 2 points. These 2 points, right? 60 degree and 120 degree. Because this much angle is also 60. Yes, Mirage?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to draw the angle bisector of this angle. So it will be 30, 30 on both sides. So that will give me 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. So let us draw angle bisector of this angle. So I'm going to take some distance in my compass. And from this point, I'll make an arc. And then from this point, I'll make an arc. Right? So this gives me the 90-degree angle. Since this is not the main angle I want, so I'll make use of dotted lines. This is not the main angle. Okay. So now this is, look here carefully, this is 60 and now this is 30, 30 on both sides. Yes. So
Yes,
60,
ma'am.
30 is equal to 90. So 90-degree angle we have got. Now we want 60 plus 15 degree. So how will I get 15 degree? So I'll further divide this 30 degree again into 15, 15. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so that I can add this 15 into 60. So this will give me 75. So now I want the angle bisector of this angle. So one point I have, another point I have here. So I'll make use of these 2 points and I'll make the angle bisector here, right? With the help of compass. Again, I have taken some distance in my compass. Now make use of this point, draw an arc. Okay, and then make use of this point, cut this arc. Yes. Now, since this is my main angle, so I'll draw a solid line, not the dotted one. And you draw a line, like draw a big line. Just extend this line like this, right?
Until there.
Just, I'm going to tell you how much you want, but just draw a big line.
Okay.
Okay. Because I'm coming to the next step, so then I'll tell you. So now this much angle I have got, this is 75 degree. All right. So angle B 75 degree I have drawn. You can also check it with the help of your protector, whether is this 75 or not. Yes, it is exactly 75 degree. You can see. Right. Okay. If you are done, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Now next step. So now the dimension of this side AB is not. In the question, it is given that the sum of the sides is 13 centimeter. Now, how to do such type of questions? Now you take a distance of 13 centimeter in your compass, right? So, okay, I'm not going to, this is, I'm unable to open it up to 13 centimeters. So I'll simply make use of my scale, right? And put your scale here, 13 centimeter. Okay, so basically this line has to be, this is less than 13. So I need to extend this line even further. Yes. So I have extended this line further. Now I want to make a cut of 13 degree. So, sorry, 13 centimeter, right? So take a distance of 13 centimeter in your scale and just mark this point exactly here, 13 centimeter, right? Just give another name. This is not the point A, okay? This is any point. I can give any name to this point. I'm calling it X or D. You can write D, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See the initial line, let me give some name to this line, BX. So I have marked the point D on this line BX. Okay, you can give a name X here. So the original line was BX, and now I have marked a point D on the line BX. Okay. So now
Yes.
I'm going to join this point D with point C. Okay. With the help of your scale, just join this point D with the point C. Yes, done. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line CD. Okay, Mirage?
Yes, ma'am.
So this CD, we want to divide this line CD into two equal parts. So I'm going to draw its perpendicular bisector. So in the last class, I told you how to draw a perpendicular bisector of the line. This is angle bisector, which we have drawn. So angle bisector, you know how to draw, right? Now perpendicular bisector of any line, if you want to draw. So just take some distance in your compass, which should be something more than half of this line. So at least this much you can take, or this much, right? This is more than half, you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
You can extend it more like this, right? So I have taken some distance in my compass. Now, once you place it at point C, the bigger you will take, the more it will go away. So I'm just going to reduce the distance a little bit. This is, yeah, more than half, fine. So now put it at C and draw an arc here. And similarly, draw an arc here. So the figure is going to have a lot of arcs, so you have to be very careful, right? Okay, so I've made an arc here. I've made an arc here. Now with the same distance in my compass, I'm going to put it at point D. And I'm going to cut this arc. Cut it like this. Fine. Now you have got these 2 points, one here and one here. Now join this line. Right? And extend this so that it can cut this line BD. So the point at which this line is cutting BD is your point A. So mark this A. So now you have got another vertex of your triangle, which is A. So you have to join A with C so that you can have the triangle ABC. Clear? Right? Now I'm done up till here. Now I'm going to join my point A with C. Yes, Mirage, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this is my required triangle ABC. Now write the steps of construction also. I'm going to write. Steps of construction. Okay, first. So we have started with line BC, right? So draw a line, a segment BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So just to revise what we have done. Draw a line segment BC is equal to 7 centimeter, right? Okay, what should be the next step? Tell me. Then what we did, we have constructed an angle of 75 degree at point B. Yes, Mirage?
Yes, ma'am.
So next, construct an angle of 75 degree at point B. Such at point B, yeah. And name it, okay, and name it. So this was the original angle XBC, right? Because we have extended this line, right? X,
Yes.
and name it angle XBC, right? Now, next what we did, so then we cut this line BX at point D, okay? And this much distance we have taken 13 centimeter, isn't it? I made use of my scale, but actually you are supposed to use your compass. You have to take a distance of 13 centimeter in your compass, and you will place that at point B, and you will make an arc at 13 centimeter, so that will give you point D. But since I was unable to open my compass up to 13 centimeters, so I simply made use of the scale to mark this point. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you are able to open your compass, you can make use of that and you can cut it like this, 13 centimeters. Clear? Anyway, write the next step. So cut BD is equal to 13 centimeter on line BX. Then we join this CD, right? Fourth, join CD. Then we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of this line CD. Next, fifth. So draw the perpendicular bisector of line CD, right? Which will intersect BD at point A. Which will intersect BD at point A. So now we have joined C with A. Next, join AC or CA. So you have got your required triangle. Join AC. So triangle ABC is the required triangle. Please note this word. I have written construct an angle. Okay, don't write draw an angle because you have made use of your compass to construct this angle of 75 degrees. So write construct the angle of 75 degrees. Clear? And here I have written draw a line because I simply made use of my scale to draw this line. Yes, Mirage, any confusion? Is there any problem because it's an inverted look you are seeing on the screen? Are you able to understand what I'm writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I move to the next question now? I hope you have written. Right, question number 2. What does it say? Yeah, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 8 centimeter, angle B is equal to 45 degree, and AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Clear? Okay, so the difference in the question is only this much. Here in the previous question, if you can see, you were given the sum of the sides, AB plus AC, right? And here you are given the difference of the sides, AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeters. So how you are going to construct it? Again, first of all, draw a rough figure. You have a triangle ABC, any triangle ABC, in which side BC is equal to 8 centimeter, and angle B has to be 45 degree, and then AB minus AC has to be 3.5 centimeter. Clear? So the initial steps are going to be same. We are going to draw a line of 8 centimeter BC. So I'm drawing BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Yes. This is B and C. Yes, Mirage? 8 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you want angle 45 degree on B, which is, I think, simple. Yeah, 45 is half of 90, isn't it? So first you will construct an angle of 90 degree and then you will draw the angle bisector, which you all know, which is very easy to draw. So 90 degree angle you know so far. Take some distance in your compass and make an arc on B. Now this point is 60 and then this point is 120, right? Now once you put your compass here at 60 degree, make an arc. Now again you put your compass at 120 degree and make an arc. This is going to be a 90 degree angle. Since this is not the main angle, I'll draw a dotted line. So 90 degree I have drawn. Now I'll draw the angle bisector of this line, of this angle to get the 45 degree. So one point is this, because I'm dividing this angle. So I want the point on this line, and then another point I want on this line. So another point is here. So I'll make use of these 2 points. Again, take some distance in your compass. Now you put it here and make an arc. I'm just increasing it a little bit. Okay. So make an arc. See, always draw your arc at the center because you know the line is going to be exactly at the center, right? Don't draw it anywhere else. Draw it here. Just draw it at the center. And then here, now cut this line, right? This point, join this. It's going to be the 45 degree angle, and I'm going to draw a long line, right? I'm going to extend this line further. Very carefully draw a long line. Give it some name, the line BX or BY. I'm calling this time Y. right? Okay. Now, see, in the last question, we had AB plus AC, which is 13 centimeter, and then we have cut this line up to 13 centimeter. Okay? Here I have AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. I'll do the same thing. I'll take a distance of 3.5 centimeter and I'm going to cut this line. So this time it's a small distance. I'll make use of my compass. So you mark a distance of 3.5 centimeter very accurately. So this is my 3.5, right? Yeah. So I've marked the distance 3.5 and I'm going to put it here and make a cut. Now see, it's very close to this point, so make it very clearly. This is the point I've got here, right? So this is not my point A. I don't know where A is. I'm going to give some name to this point. Again, I'm going to call it D, as I called in the last question. So this one is my point D, right? Now I have to join C, D. So very carefully, you can see these 2 points are very close. So join very carefully D with C.
Ma'am, how did you draw D? Can you show again?
Yes, because AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. I have simply taken a distance of 3.5 centimeter at my compass and I've made an arc like this, simple. So the point at which it is cutting this line BY is my point D. Yes, right? This distance is 3.5. You can check with your scale. Yes, right?
Yes.
And then I have joined this D with C. Now, again, I'm going to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line CD, right? So just take some distance, which should be something more than half of this line. So this much I'm taking, right? Any distance you can take, it should be just more than half of CD. Yeah. So place it at point C and draw an arc. See, you are dividing this line. So the line is going to be somewhat here. Just keep that in your mind, right? It's going to divide this. It's going to be like this. So mark your arcs accordingly. 1 point here, 1 arc here, and then another arc here, right? Now with the same distance, you put it at point D and cut this arc, right? Now see, these are the 2 points. So you have to join them. And you have to join them such that this line goes on and cut this line. Okay. So very carefully place your scale here. Join these 2 points or draw a solid line. Okay, draw a dotted line. Sorry, this is not the main line. So draw a dotted line. It should cut this line here. So this point you will get is the another vertex of your triangle A. Now, since this is the main triangle ABC, so this line AC has to be a solid line. Now join AC. So this is the required triangle A, B, and C. Now, AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. That you can verify. That means AB should be 3.5 centimeter more than AC, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So AB has to be the larger line, which should be 3.5 centimeter more than AC. So whatever AC is, AB should be 3.5 centimeter extra. So now measure what is AC. How much is AC, sorry, centimeter side. So this is coming to be 8 centimeter. So you can just verify AC is equal to 8 centimeter. And if you measure AB, how much is this? 11.5. If you have drawn it accurately, your AB is 11.5, right? So you check 11.5 minus 8. How much will you get? 3.5 centimeter. Clear? AB minus AC is equal to 11.5 minus 8 centimeter, which is going to give you 3.5 centimeter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We verified. Now, please write the steps of construction in case you forget, so that it will be a revision. Steps of construction. Okay, first. So we started by the line BC. So draw a line segment BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Right? Then next we have constructed, sorry, I have not marked, please, I just forgot to write, please mark this angle 45 degree. Important. So at point B, construct an angle, which angle? Initially YBC, right? At point B, construct an angle, construct the angle YBC is equal to 45 degree. Clear? So this line BY, like this initially we did, we just constructed this angle 45 degree, and we have extended this line BY. Then what we did? Then we made a cut of 3.5 centimeter from B to mark the point D, isn't it? Third, then we took a distance of 3.5 and then we made this point D, right? So cut BD is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, and then join CD. Join CD. Then we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of this line CD. Draw the perpendicular bisector of line CD. Right? So this perpendicular bisector is intersecting BY at point A, right? Which intersect the line BY at point A. Now then join AC. Then join AC. So the ABC is the required triangle. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. Yes, Hamna, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please note it down. Then
Ma'am, done.
Okay, so let's do the next question now. Yes. This is the question number 3. Construct a triangle PQR. PQR in which QR is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, and angle Q is 60 degree. And PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeter. Fine. Okay. Let us draw a rough figure. So PQR, you want to draw triangle PQR. So this is the triangle PQR. So what you want now? So QR has to be 6 centimeter. Angle Q has to be 60 degree. And then this condition should satisfy. PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeter. Clear? Okay. So we are going to start with this line QR is equal to 6 centimeter. Draw this QR is equal to 6 centimeter. See, this construction is going to be this side. So just draw the line at the center. Now, see, what is the difference in this question and question number 2? Can anybody tell me? What do you observe here? What is the difference? Okay, look very carefully. Look here, all of you. In the question number 2, right, Mirage?
Yes, ma'am.
In the question number 2, it is given that AB minus AC is equal to 3.5. Now, which side is AB? AB is this side, right? The side at which the angle is formed, right? So this side is longer and the opposite side is smaller. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in the question number 3, the difference is, this is PR minus PQ. Now, PR is this side, which is opposite to this angle. So this side has to be greater and this side is smaller in this case. So this is the difference in the construction. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it has to be done differently. So it's not the similar question as question number 2. That is different. In this side is greater and this side is smaller. So that is the difference here. Fine. So QR we have drawn, which is 6 centimeter. I'm sorry. Just wait. Okay. Now, again, at point Q, construct an angle of 60 degree, which is very easy. You know how to do. Take small distance to make it figure clear. To make an arc and then cut it. This is your 60 degree line. Okay. Right? Okay, sorry, I just forgot to join. Just join this line. So again, draw a long line, give it some name. Let's say X I'm giving, right? This line X. Now in this question, what you have to do is you have to extend this line downwards also. Clear? So again, you put your scale here and extend this line downwards. Same line. Extend it here also. Right? So this is X. I can call it X dash. Clear? So this time, in the previous question number 2, the difference was 3.5 and that we cut from here. Right, Mirage? Yeah, like that we did. Now in this question, this is PR minus QR. I mean, this side is greater. So in this question, you will cut the distance here, right? Not here. You will cut the distance of 2 centimeter here on this QX dash. Is this clear, Amna? So how will you cut? Since you are doing construction, so make use of your compass, not your scale. Take a distance of 2 centimeter in your compass and make an arc. So put it here and make an arc at 2 centimeter. So this is the point I've got. So I can give it some name. Let's say T, I'm calling it. Fine. Now join this RT. Yes. Now the same thing. In the last question also, what we did, we have joined this line and then we have drawn its perpendicular bisector. Similarly, we have joined this line and now we are going to do its perpendicular bisector. Clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this line we want to divide. So we are going to take some distance, which is something more than half of this line. Let's say this much I'm taking. Or you can take even greater. There's no problem, right? You can take greater distance also. Because see, I'm taking greater is because if I take a small distance, see where my arc is coming, it's coming here, right? And if I'll take a bigger distance, my arc is going to be here. So it's your wish, like where you want your arc to be. So if you see your figure is getting very congested, you can take a bigger distance. But since I think I have space here, so I can take a bit of smaller distance. Yeah, this much I think fine. Right? Okay. Because I want to divide this line into exactly 2 parts. So the line is going to be here, something here. So my arc is going to fall something here and here, right? So draw an arc and then here also draw an arc. Fine. Now with the same distance, you put it at point R and you cut this arc and also this arc. These are the 2 points you have got. Now join this line. So I'm going to extend this line so that it cut this line, BX. So draw it like this. It should cut BX. Right? Mirage, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the point at which it is cutting the line BX is your point P of the triangle, PQR. So you have got the point P. So obviously you are going to join P with R so that you can have your triangle PQR. Is this join this? Yeah. See here, you actually I've done a mistake. Like I've drawn a solid line. Always draw the dotted line here because this is not the main line of your triangle, right? So when you draw the perpendicular bisector, you can draw a dotted line. I've drawn a solid one. Just to differentiate, there is no problem if you draw the solid line also, but just to differentiate the main line, redo this. Anyway, I'm going to join P with R. So since this is my triangle PQR, is the required triangle PQR. Right? So here you can check whether PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeters. So I'm going to write how much is PR and how much is PQ. Take your scale and measure how much is PR. So my PR is, I think, 5.5 something I'm getting. And PQ is how much? 3.5. 3.5 centimeter, right? So if you do your PR minus PQ, you will get 5.5 minus 3.5 centimeter, which is going to give you 2 centimeters. So you have also verified this thing. So you can write the steps of construction. So I'm just going to make use of this space. First, so we started with this line segment QR is equal to 6 centimeters. So draw a line segment. QR is equal to 6 centimeters. Then what we did, yeah, please mark this angle 60 degree in the figure. Then at point Q, construct an angle of, or you can write construct an angle XQR is equal to 60 degree. Construct angle XQR is equal to 60 degree. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, then what we did is, so this was my 60 degree line QX, right? Then I extended this line QX here up to QX dash. So third, extend line QX QX to X dash. So we have extended this line up to point X dash. Yeah. I mean, you can just make a dash here. Let's say this is X dash and this is your X. Somewhere you have to mark it. Okay. Now, after extending this, we have made a cut of 2 centimeters on this line QX dash, isn't it? Now cut QX dash is equal to 2 centimeters. No, cut QT, sorry, right. Cut QT is equal to 2 centimeters on QX dash. Clear? This QT we have cut 2 centimeters on the line QX dash. Mirage, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then since we have got this point T, then we have joined this RT, right? So join RT. Next. Join RT. Okay. Next. So we have got the line RT, then we have drawn its perpendicular bisector, right? So draw the perpendicular bisector. Bisector of line RT. Okay, so this perpendicular bisector is intersecting QX at point P. So which intersect line QX on point P. Then we have joint PR. So joint PR. 8. So triangle PQR is the required triangle. Yes, have you written, both of you?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay, Mirage, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then wait. Yes, are you able to see your book? Yeah, is the book visible? Yes, Hamna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, this next question number 4 is basically you are drawing a triangle XYZ in which the sum of all the side is given. So basically the perimeter of the triangle is given to you, isn't it? But this section has been omitted by CBSE. Let me just show you. So I've put a cross here if you can see, right? To construct a triangle given its perimeter and its two base angles. So such type of questions is not there in the new CBSE syllabus. So according to that, we are not asked to do question number 4. And then question number 5 is also similar because the sum of its hypotenuse and other side, that means the perimeter is again given. So question number 4 and 5 are not required to be done. Only question 1, 2, 3 you are supposed to do in this exercise. Okay. Mirage, you're not speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this chapter is over. So if you guys require a revision of any chapter, you can just inform us. And any topic which is not clear and you want to have some class on that, you can just inform us. We are there to help you out. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
So from my side, I think your syllabus is complete. Is there any chapter which is remaining?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So Miraj, do you require a revision of any topic or any chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Polynomials, last exercise.
Polynomials, last exercise. Okay. What about you, Hamna?
No, ma'am.
So, Mirage, okay. Anyway, we will contact you. We can arrange a class on that topic for you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you please share the syllabus of this second term, whichever chapters are coming. Can you just tell me now which chapters are coming in your second term exam?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Ma'am, polynomials, quadrilateral circles, constructions, and stability.
Yeah, please repeat.
Cir-
Polynomial
Polynomials, quadrilaterals, circles,
and
constructions, probability, and surface areas and volumes.
probability and
Surface areas and volumes.
surface area and volume, mensuration. Fine. Yes, Mirage, is this the same syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, we have recently done surface area and volume, probability we have done, construction, circles, I think we have given enough time, quadrilateral also, polynomials. Okay, I can give you a revision on polynomial. Okay, then that's it for the class today. We will inform you, Mirage, whenever you are going to have your class. Tomorrow or
Yes, ma'am.
in time, then you can join in. Okay. Okay, then. Good night. Take care. All the best for your exams, Samna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Good night, ma'am.
Goodbye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.